One of them days to play some ball again today, baby. This for it all right here, though.
Oh, I think I need it again, though. I had a good game with the coffee. I'm going to take a shot again. Yeah, I don't know what that did to me last week. I don't know what it did to you, but I need some more coffee.
It starts here. All the marbles, all the chips are here.
One play at a time. Don't get out of yourself. Do what we do, and we'll dominate these.
Let's take this over. Philly belongs to us, you hear me?
The first play is an inside play fake, and Wentz will throw deep to the middle, and it's caught at the 45-yard line. Gonna throw, standing forever, throws it out left, broken up. And Wentz back looking to his right in the flat, nobody there. Sanders 35-30, tackle missed.
Big stop, B. Sack. Strip sack.
And Wentz looks left and pumps and throws it in the back of the end zone, caught for a touchdown.
Somebody said this, I'm having a tough time getting over these and I'm getting really wide. I'm worried about the back going the other way.
We gotta attack vertically. We're storming the castle. Hey, fundamentals, man. Hey, remind everybody, fundamentals. That's all we got. Stick to our game. We'll make the bigger than what it is.
3rd and 1 option, pitch, Pollard, left, foot in the ground. Did you see that? Did you see Pollard fumble the ball?
Saw the ball come out at the end.
We got it.
Wentz with 3 receivers on the left. They give it to Sanders, and he walks the dog. That was real easy.
All right, this game is about practice, place tackling. Physical, hard ass, gotta come up, gotta do right. Gotta do right. Ain't no waiting around, waiting like a song. Just gotta do it hard.
All needs a touchdown, man. All needs a touchdown.
This is almost the ball game. They got to cross the 15 for a first down. 4th and 8. Snap is back. Throwing it deep down the left side into the end zone for Gallup. The ball is broken up, incomplete. And the Eagles are a win in New Jersey, away from running the table and winning the East. And the final score will be Philadelphia 17 and Dallas 9.